welcome back to Twist Fashion. Today we're going to be bleaching these jeans. They're old and they've already got a stain, so I'm going to upcycle them. So what you'll need is either some elastics or some strips of fabric to tie around, and some bleach obviously, and a piece of clothing that you want to upcycle. So we're going to start by scrunching it up. Depending how you want the pattern done, you could fold it, but I want a sort of all over pattern dots, and then we're going to tie it up. Obviously every single time you do this it's going to be slightly different to the last. You're never going to get two the same, however hard you try. Just tie that up. And when you use rubber bands, obviously the bleach won't take on those bits, so just again it depends what look you're going for. Scrunch that up some more. There's the end. Whoop. And I'm going to take this to the bathroom and pour some bleach on it. Let's go. So this is a little sample I've done, and that was just scrunched up like that with elastic bands, and I just poured some bleach over it. The other side I just did some strokes with a toothbrush. I prefer this sort of effect, which is more blotchy. So this is the bleach, just thick bleach. It's got a small thin nozzle. Scatter it on. Some people dampen their jeans first, but I prefer to do it like this. I'm going to turn it over. So just going to see how that sets. Bleach really got on it, so now we're just going to swirl it on. In stripes, and I've twisted the jeans slightly so it's still not super even. Oops, yeah, quite a bit went on then. See how that takes. So I've washed and dried the jeans because the bleach might affect some people's skin, and here's the end result. I'm quite pleased with them really. I hope you like them. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks, bye.